Marisha from Motul. I am the area manager for Southern, Eastern Africa and Indian Oceans. And we're here today for our car care launch. So we're bringing a brand new range into the country, looking after the exterior and the interior of your car. And when I say interior, not the engine, you know, the inside of your car. So we're branching out. So we have 17 products in our car care range. It's for exterior care and for interior care. So it starts with your car shampoo that we have, and then everything from insect remover, wheel clean, plastic clean, glass clean, and then we also have a whole range of accessories that go with that. We also have a tire repair, and what's nice about our tire repair, it can inflate tires up to 16-inch. So you'll be able to drive your car for several kilometers, hundreds of it actually, before you need to fix your car. We have the full range, and there's some nice benefits of the range. You know, where it protects, not only cleans, but protects your car as well. Our glass clean, for instance, is plant-based ethanol, and there's no streaking. So the idea with it was to launch a range that's easy to use, that's premium, but still affordable to the market. So it's very affordable and it saves you time. You can easily clean your car, look after it, and make it last longer. So everything at Motul is about making your car last longer. So at Motul, you know, of course, everybody is caring about the environment at the moment. We know that we have to look after Mother Nature. So we're also taking that quite seriously. A lot of our oils as well are now going the environmental route. Even our packaging is biodegradable. And with the car care range as well, we have the plant-based ethanol glass cleaner. So everything's going more the environmental route to make sure that we don't only look after your car, but also look after the environment. So Motul, I mean, Motul in South Africa is growing as well as in Africa. We're growing quite rapidly. But also, as we all know, you know, the world is changing. Electric cars are coming in. So, you know, things at Motul, we're changing. You know, we're diversifying. It's not just about engine oils anymore. We're the first oil company that launched the hybrid oil, and we're looking at that, you know, what other products to look after the cars when they go the electric route. So we have a range of fuel additives, we have a range of, you know, car care range that we're launching now. We're looking at power generation. So there's definite diversification because the world is changing. We're going the electrical route, maybe not as fast as it is in Europe and in Africa. So there we're still focusing on developing from mineral to the synthetic basis. But yes, that's kind of what we focused on, is just to move to the more fully synthetic oils, and then also to look at diversification and not only look at engine oil. So we just launched the car care range. So today is the official launch, and it's literally introducing it into the market. So now it's about getting it out to our consumers, getting it out onto the shelves. So we would like to have it available in retail for consumers. So the idea is we have a partnership with Midas. So it will be available at Midas stores. Also at, you know, for car enthusiasts, at more specialized and performance workshop and partners that we have. Car enthusiasts, we've got all the American muscle with us today, exhibiting some really cool cars. So companies like that will also stock the product because they understand what it means to look after your car, you know, to extend the life of your car, and you know, those are cars that people really want to look after. So it will be available at those stores and workshops as well. So we're really excited at Motul to launch this range. You know, it's us branching out to something. You know, we're known as a motorcycle oil, and then we're known as a car oil. A lot of people don't know that we also have heavy duty. So, you know, there's a lot of things that we do, and we're quite excited to add this to our range as well. So it's not only car, motorcycle, heavy duty oils, fuel additives. We now also have car care, and it's just for us full circle. It's looking after your car in totality. And the one thing we care about at Motul is making it last. That's what we always say, make your car last. And we're really excited to add something that not only makes your engine last longer, but make your car look good for a much longer time as well, from an exterior and an interior point of view. Very excited to launch this, and we hope to, you know, go buy it. Yes, go buy it.